Welcome back, AI Nexus community. These are all the AI headlines you missed last week. Last week we saw Snowflake and Nvidia are partnering together to bring AI developers a new container service to make it easier to build generative AI models. Google DeepMind CEO has announced their next algorithm will defeat ChatGPT once more, and may even make it irrelevant. The European Union is taking yet another monumental step in securing the safety of its future with AI. The Artificial Intelligence Act is on its way to becoming a national law, and what this means for you. And in our AI Product of the Week, Stability AI announces SDXL 0.9, the most advanced developed text-to-image model to ever hit the market. This past week has been insane, so buckle up and get ready. Let's dive right in. The European Union has taken a significant step towards regulating artificial intelligence with the approval of the Artificial Intelligence Act. This new law establishes a risk-based framework to regulate AI applications, ensuring stricter rules for those considered high risk. The AI Act categorizes AI applications into 4 tiers of risk: low and minimal risk, limited risk, high risk, and unacceptable risk. Applications falling under the low and minimal risk category will not be subject to regulation, while those in the limited risk category will be required to disclose their uses and associated risks. High-risk applications, such as facial recognition or social scoring, will face more stringent rules, including mandatory human oversight and impact assessments. Unacceptable risk AI applications, such as those capable of torture or mass surveillance, will be outright banned. To promote transparency and accountability, the AI Act establishes a publicly accessible database specifically for high-risk AI applications. This database will provide information about their uses, risks, and developers. While the AI Act is still undergoing negotiation, the approval by the European Parliament represents a major milestone in AI regulation. It presents a clear framework for governing AI applications based on their risk levels, while fostering transparency through the high-risk AI database. However, the AI Act has not been without its critics. Some argue that the law's restrictions may hinder innovation within the AI industry. On the other hand, others believe the law does not go far enough in safeguarding users against potential AI risks. Despite these criticisms, though, the AI Act is undeniably a significant advancement in AI regulation. It strikes a careful balance between promoting innovation and ensuring safety. As such, it serves as a model for other countries developing their own AI-related legislation. And now, on to our next story. Snowflake and Nvidia are collaborating on exciting developments in the field of AI tools. Snowflake, renowned for its cloud-based storage of massive amounts of data, has recently acquired Neva and Streamlit, enhancing its capabilities for searching and building AI tools with that data. In a major announcement last week, Snowflake unveiled its new container service and a partnership with Nvidia. The aim is to simplify the process for developers to create new generative AI applications while leveraging the vast amount of unstructured data. Christian Kleinerman, Senior VP of Products at Snowflake, emphasizes that the project's goal is to empower users to utilize data without the need for copying or transferring it to external applications. Instead, Snowflake encourages customers to bring computation to their data, avoiding unnecessary data transfers. To support this vision, Snowflake introduced the Snowpark Container Service, enabling the running of containerized applications on top of NVIDIA GPUs. Manavir Das, Vice President of Enterprise Computing at NVIDIA, highlights Snowflake as the go-to platform for enterprise companies to store their critical data. By building tools and applications on top of Snowflake's data and running them with NVIDIA GPUs, it becomes a formidable force. Das explains that when customers combine NVIDIA's powerful GPUs with their NeMo framework, they can refine machine learning models based on their own data stored in Snowflake. Currently, Snowflake's Snowpark container services are in private beta. However, the company aims to expand access to more users in the near future. Do you remember AlphaGo, the groundbreaking AI program that defeated a Go champion in 2016? Well, the developers are back with an exciting new application that could pose a challenge even for ChatGPT. AlphaGo, developed by DeepMind, utilized a technique known as reinforcement learning, which enabled the software to tackle complex problems through repeated attempts and feedback. Now, DeepMind is harnessing the same methodology to create a powerful AI system called Gemini. Gemini is a large language model similar to GPT-4, but with a twist. DeepMind is combining the techniques used in AlphaGo with the language capabilities of large language models to equip Gemini with planning and problem-solving abilities. At its core, Gemini represents a fusion of the strengths exhibited by systems like AlphaGo and the impressive language capabilities of large language models. This implies that Gemini has the potential to solve a wide array of challenges, ranging from game playing to code writing, and even answering your questions. While Gemini is still under development, it holds the promise of being a significant breakthrough in the field of AI. DeepMind aims to integrate these models into performing various internet and computer-based tasks. Exciting times lie ahead as DeepMind pushes the boundaries of AI with the development of Gemini. Keep an eye out for more news and advancements in this remarkable project. And now, it's time for the much-anticipated new AI product of the week. Our spotlight shines on Stability AI as they unveil their latest creation, SDXL.9. Building upon the success of the Stable Diffusion XL beta released in April, SDXL is set to revolutionize the Stable Diffusion text-to-image suite of models. Developers at Stability AI have high hopes for SDXL, positioning it as the most advanced generative AI model in their lineup. With improved image quality and enhanced composition detail, SDXL pushes the boundaries of what's possible in generative AI. Accessible through Clip Drop, SDXL is designed to unleash the potential of generative AI imagery. While the APIs are on the horizon, users can already experience the power of SDXL.9 on modern consumer GPUs. Its capabilities open up a world of possibilities, from hyper-realistic creations for movies, TV shows, and music to instructional videos and beyond. Stability AI envisions SDXL at the forefront of real-world applications for AI imagery. And that's not all. The SDXL series offers users a range of choices, including image-to-image prompting, in-painting, and out-painting. These expanded capabilities set Stability AI apart as a top contender in the field. So, what sets SDXL.9 apart? It's the significant increase in its parameter count, the sum of all weights and biases in the neural network. With one of the largest parameter counts among open-source generative image models, SDXL.9 packs a punch. Powered by two clip models, including the world's largest open clip model trained to date, OpenClip VITG-14, SDXL.9 possesses the processing power to create hyper-realistic imagery at higher resolutions and greater depths. Currently available on the Clip Drop by Stability AI platform, SDXL.9 is provided for research purposes for a limited time. Stability AI eagerly awaits user feedback to further refine the model before its general open release. Mark your calendars. Stability AI plans to unleash SDXL 1.0 to the world, but remember, release dates are subject to change as they strive for perfection. And that's a wrap for this week. Thank you so much for tuning in to the AI Nexus Weekly Update. If you enjoyed this weekly recap, liking this video will support our channel and allow us to continue bringing you the latest in AI news each week. If you're not already part of the community, subscribe to our channel for the greatest AI content around. Let us know in the comments what AI news is making headlines in your world. Who knows? We may cover it in next week's video. Stay tuned. Want more AI content today? Then you have to see what we're seeing out of Google Bard that could spell trouble for OpenAI's ChatGPT.